So let's talk you around this then. So you can see, I'll just let it cleaned as well, so it does actually look nice for once. So we've got Maxton design on the front here. This is a V4 splitter if you're wondering. There's loads and loads of different variants that they do of this particular type. They do all sorts of different styles. This is the V4, and I think it works quite nicely with the Maxton side skirts that we got on here. So I'll go around and get a side profile view for you. I really just think it just adds some aggression to the car, and it really works nicely on the gloss black. Of course, it does stand out better if you do have a different colour. So I mean, it kind of blends in, but when I had it on my white Cupra, I've got videos on that as well, you'll see that it does stand out more. But yeah, so the side blades are just kind of self-tapped in, nice and easy. And there you can see it from the back. So you can see the rear diffuser there. It just has this kind of side blade. You can also get side blade extensions that go on here, but I think this looks quite nice, and it just gives it that extra little lip here that's not present on the normal diffuser. And obviously gloss black makes a difference as well. So a little bit more aggressive from the rear there. This is a Rieger rear diffuser. So the Maxton one is very similar. The Maxton one's slightly more aggressive, but the issue with the Maxton one is fitment. So this one actually has tabs that slot into the existing kind of slots that the standard one goes into, whereas the Maxton one doesn't have those, so it makes for more difficult fitment. But yeah, side skirt's nice and easy. So then in terms of fitment, the front splitter, I think it just works really nicely with these Cupra R fog surrounds as well. Like, it just blends really nicely, that line just there cutting right the way up. I think that really suits the car nicely. So you see a few different angles here of the V4. And as I say, there's loads of different ones you can get. Progressive Parts always hooks me up with the Maxton design stuff, so check them out. I'll put a link in the description. They're always absolutely brilliant for getting hold of the Maxton stuff. So yeah, lots of different stuff to choose from. You could get KSB, you could get TRC, there's all sorts of different splitters available, but this is the one that I went for just because I wanted something quite subtle, nothing too massive, just something to add to the look of the car. And the side skirts as well. So in terms of costing, the Maxton front splitter is about 120 quid, the side skirts are about 80. The rear diffuser is about 160, I think, something like that. This is the Rieger one. Now, I actually got this from my Cupra 300 when they first came in. They first did it for the facelift on a 67 plate, and it took me a while to get hold of it because I had to get them to import it from Germany. Now, I know it's a bit difficult to get hold of these at the moment because of Brexit, so that's probably going to be a bit of a challenge in some regards, but as for the Maxton stuff, Progressive Parts normally has good stock of that. So there we have it. Shamefully, it's not as sunny of a day as I would have liked to show this off, but the weather has been atrocious here in the UK. So I was going to go out and do a video review of the Lexus today, but unfortunately the weather is about to take a turn for the worse, so I thought I'd just do this and show you exactly what this looks like on a normal walk around. So there we go. If you've got any questions, please do pop in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.